نحمده ونصلي على رسوله الكريم أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ولقد يسرنا القرآن للذكر فهل من مدكر. We have made the Quran easy for remembrance, so is there anyone who will remember? يضل به كثيرا ويهدي به كثيرا. He misleads many by this book and guides many thereby. وَنُنَزِّلُ مِنَ الْقُرْآنِ مَا هُوَ شِفَاءٌ وَرَحْمَةٌ لِلْمُؤْمِنِينَ وَلَا يَزِيدُ الظَّالِمِينَ إِلَّا خَسَارًا. And we send down in the Quran that which is a healing and mercy for the believers, though it increases for the evildoers not safe ruin. Thanks for having me here and make my day special and gave me a chance to deliver the speech on the topic of virtues of Quran. Assalamu alaikum. All praise be to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala who created man, gave him the gift of speech and revealed for him the Quran, which is a source of advice, healing, guidance and Allah's mercy for those who have faith. The Quran contains nothing that is doubtful or crooked. It is absolutely straight and authority and nur for the believers. Abundant and perfect salutation be on Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the person who is the best of all creation. Dear audience, today we perceive all the knowledge, but the knowledge of Quran and teaching of Islam useless. That's why we are going backward in every way of our life. Dear listener, in today's world, everyone try to get success in their life. But what is success in real? Just to get well and worldly things? No. Real success is to acquiescence with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and with His book. How is it possible? According to Hadith. Hazrat Abu Hurairah radiallahu ta'ala anhu narrates that Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam said, on the day of judgment, the man of the Quran will be told, read and climb, and read with good and clear pronunciation like you used to read when you were in the world. Where you reach the last ayah, that will be your position. So time doesn't permit me to continue further. So I would like to conclude here by saying that finish the Quran 2 times in a year. That is the right of the Quran. Thank you very much.